Hey everybody, we've got another new Paw Patrol toy. Wow, they keep coming out with the coolest toys. This is the Paw Patrol Sea Patrol Sub Patroller. That's a long name, isn't it? See there? It's the Sub Patroller. It's a submarine, so it can go under the water in their rescues. And here's the back of the box. You can see Ryder goes in here, and you can put your pups in the back, and there, and it shoots out rings, lifesaver rings, and it makes sounds. Want to see the sounds it makes? You just push this button. It's got lights down here. Hey, those are dolphin sounds. This is a really cool vehicle, and it transforms, so we're going to get it out of the box. And here's our Sea Patrol Ryder. We just did a cool video of the brand new Flip and Fly vehicles, and these are really amazing. Watch this. You want to see Marshall transform? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at that! It's a jet! Then when you want it to go back to a fire truck, you go like this. 1, 2, 3. I'm a jet. Now I'm a fire truck. And now I'm a jet. Now another cool thing about these transforming vehicles is they have discs. And you can put a disc right here and a disc on the other side. And he has a tennis ball that goes right here. And watch this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! And the last one. Whoa, that is so awesome, Chase. Transform. Ta-da! Super cool. We also have Rubble and Skye transforming vehicles, and I'll show you those at the end of this video. But right now, let's get this Sub Patroller out of the box. Woohoo! This is so exciting. I can't wait to see everything it does. Here we go. We're almost there. Turn it around. Let's see if we can get it out. Nope, not yet. We gotta turn these down here. It's loose. Here is the new Paw Patrol Sub Patroller. Whoa, that's amazing. First thing we need to do is attach our other wing. See how we have a wing over here? Now we need one on this side. Woohoo! And they turn like this. Or you can put them down by the side. It comes with 2 lifesaver rings. And if you're not using your lifesaver rings, you can store them in here behind where Ryder sits. And the Sea Patroller also comes with lifesaver rings, so that's cool. And now we have the Sub Patroller. And Ryder sits in here. And he is ready for his Sea Patrol mission. Woohoo! You can close this up like that. And then look down here. This is really neat. It's got a secret hatch underneath where you can put some of the pups in there or some of your things that you're using. You see the light? It lights up, and this is the headlight, so they can see in the dark underneath the water. And back here we have a hatch. See there? You can put all of your pups in there. And watch this. It transforms. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. And you've got a periscope up here so that you can see around the water. Whoa, that is one cool submarine. Woohoo! And it rolls. Now let's get our Sea Patrol pups and see if we can load them up in the back. What a cool vehicle. When you're ready to use your lifesaver rings, you put them in here like this, and you pull up on your periscope. You gotta pull it up all the way. Woohoo! And it shoots them out. Super fast. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it shot it out really far. Doo-doo. Ryder, the Sea Patrol pups are here. They're in the Sea Patroller. Whoa, now that's a cool vehicle. It transforms into a land vehicle. All right, pups, it's time to unload. I need you on the Sub Patroller. So we're gonna open up our wings, pull this down. There we go. Pull this up. We're ready for you, pups. Pull down the hatch. It's time to load up. Who's first? What Sea Patrol pup do you think will be first? Let's open this. Who is it? It's Rubble! Rubble on the double. He's got a cool Sea Patrol vehicle. Wow! And it transforms like this. And these open up. Look at these cool colors. He's got a blue drill on the back. And this comes back in like that. All right, Rubble, out of your vehicle and into the Sub Patroller. First pop is loading up. Here you go, Rubble on the double. On the new Sub Patroller. Which pup will we see next? Who do you think it is? It's Rocky! Woohoo! And he's got a cool Sea Patrol vehicle. And this opens up. Wow! Look at these blue hooks. That's gonna help him on rescues. Very cool vehicle, Rocky. Alright, load up on the Sub Patroller. Woof, woof. Here we go. That's 2 pups. Now, who will be next? Woof, woof. It's Marshall. Whoa, that is an awesome vehicle. It's got flames. And this comes up like that. His water cannon. And the wheels transform so that he can go on land or on water. Whoa, Marshall. That is super cool. And Marshall, we need you on the Sub Patroller. Beep, beep. Another vehicle's coming. Beep, beep. It's Skye. Whoa, look at our plane. Those are some awesome colors, Skye. And it transforms from a plane to a boat. Wow. And she's gonna load up on the Sub Patroller. We just have 2 pups left. Who will it be? It's Chase. Wow, I love your vehicle. It's got a tow hook on the back. That's pretty cool. And the wheels pop out so you can go on land or on water. Wow, neat Sea Patrol vehicle, Chase. Here comes Zuma. Uh-oh, he fell out. And here is his vehicle. It transforms. Oh, really neat. And he's got lime green and orange and blue. Super duper. Now, let's get all the pups in there. Here's our hatch. We're gonna put Marshall in there, and Skye, Zuma, and Chase. You think we can get it closed? it closes. We did it. Now look at this. You can actually open this up and you have a whole separate hatch here. So you can put more pups. Woohoo! That's so cool. Alright, we're under the water. Ryder's looking for the lost animals. You think he can find them? Ryder, I think we're gonna have to get out. So he's hopping out. And he is gonna use his sea scooter to look for the animals. Here we go. This helps him move through the water. Alright, let's go look for those animals. Hey, I found some of the lost sea animals. We've got 2 sea snails, a starfish, and a crab. Let's get them on the sub patroller and take them home. Here's the sub patroller. Beep beep. Lower the secret hatch. Here we go. Now load up, little animals. We'll get you home in no time. Here you go. But we've still got a couple more to find. All right, we need Marshall and Skye. Help me find those animals. Here's Skye. She found the lost starfish. Good going, Skye. We're gonna put her in here and take her back to the sub patroller. Meow. Oh, here comes Marshall. He's looking for the little lost crab. There it is. We found it. Here, can he sit in here with you? Thank you, Marshall. We're taking him back to the sub patroller. All right, lower the hatch. We've got 2 more animals. Here's our pink starfish and our yellow crab. We've got them all in there. Now it's time to load up, Ryder. This is a really cool vehicle, and other than the fact that my back hatch won't stay closed, it keeps popping open when I'm driving around. Other than that, it's really neat, and I love that it's a submarine and it has a new rider and it transforms like this and it makes sounds, so that's all really fun. And our Sea Patroller, of course, is amazing, and we love the Sea Patrol vehicles. But I did promise to show you the Skye and Rubble flip and fly, so let me do that real quick. Here is Rubble on the double. 1, 2, 3. And he transforms. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! And you'll have to watch the video where we unbox these and we show you everything they do. They are a lot of fun. Whoa, Skye. Helicopter. Jet. Woo! 1, 2, 3, take off! And transform. I really enjoyed sharing these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.